Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna be replacing the speed sensor, which is this one from an Xmax 1 to 5. As you will see from the check engine light, it will flash 4 long ones and 2 short ones. So that means we have an error 42 code, which means that the speed sensor should be replaced. Okay, so the speed sensor is located here on the front wheel, and its wire goes up here, and we'll connect it by removing this piece of fairing later in the video. So let's start by jacking up the scooter. There is a piece of metal support under it. So now the front wheel is off the ground. Now once we jack up the scooter, we need to remove these 2 pinch bolts which are 10mm and the 17mm bolt. Once we remove this bolt, the wheel should fall off, so hold it tightly. And the wheel is off. Make sure you don't lose the spacer, which is from the left hand side of the wheel. And over here we can see the speed sensor. It seems that it's broken on the top part. So our next step is to remove this piece of fairing, so we can disconnect the wire which connects up here. So to remove this fairing, there is one Phillips screw up here, one here, and one here. Just unscrew those 3 and it will come right off. And it's off. Now let's see where it connects to. Give it a light pull. Should be a 3 wire plug. So it's the one over here. Yep, it's getting pulled. So just disconnect this plug, and I think we can pull it from here. So I have disconnected the plug now from here, this one. Now we're just gonna pull it from here. So now I've pulled it out. This is the new one. I will put the part number in the video description. I'm comparing the both of them, and the new one seems to be a bit different in the middle. I think it's a revised model, so let's hope it works. But the outer casing seems to be the same fitting. And basically, to install it, it's the reverse procedure of what we just did to remove this one. So first step is to grab the plug, the new one, put it through this hole over here, push it up, and make sure that we're connected to this one. Okay, so after some time playing around, because it was very hard to pull it up from here, so I have passed the wire from here, and then from out here, then I have passed this piece of wire from here till down here. I'm gonna tie it around the plug and then pull it up, so it will be easier. Well, that worked better than expected. So the plug is up here now. Speedometer is here. And let's just connect it. It's now connected. Let me get some light. And now we put the wheel back on. Also, don't forget the spacer, which should go on this side of the wheel. Okay, so the wheel is in place. Make sure that the new speed sensor is in place also. As you can see, that piece of metal is between the two plastic pieces on the speed sensor. And then put the bolt again and tighten it. And then put the axle bolt again and tighten it. Okay, so now before we tighten these pinch bolts, let's make sure that the sensor is working correctly. So as you know, before we replaced it, the speedometer wasn't working and we had the error code 42. So let's make sure that they are no longer there. Switch on the key. And the check engine light is gone. Rotate the wheel and check the speedometer. As you can see, it went above 0. That means it's working. And the check engine light is off. So that's it. We've confirmed that it works, and we can just go ahead and tighten these two pinch bolts 10mm and put back the fairing. that's it, we're ready. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and that is all.